If you think homemade ice cream can't taste like a premium dessert shop, this recipe will prove you wrong. Today we're making an incredibly creamy avocado pistachio ice cream with just a few simple ingredients. Add 1 ripe avocado to a food processor. Then 2 pistachio-flavored yogurts. (100 grams of sweetened condensed milk). And 1 packet of pistachio mousse mix. Blend everything until the mixture is perfectly smooth, thick, and silky. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container. Sprinkle with chopped pistachios for extra crunch and flavor. Then freeze for 4 to 6 hours. The result? A rich, creamy ice cream with an irresistible pistachio flavor and a velvety texture that melts in your mouth. 1 spoonful is never enough. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments if you'll be trying it. Enjoy!